Did you know you can control how Claude responds? Whether you want short answers, detailed explanations, or formal professional writing, Claude has built-in preset styles that change the tone instantly. Let me show you exactly where to find them. Open Claude and look at the bottom left of the chat box. You'll see a small plus button right here. Click on that and a menu will pop up with a bunch of options. Now hover over Use Style, and a second menu slides out on the right showing all your style options: Normal, Claude's default, Balanced, and Natural. Learning, great for understanding new topics step by step. Concise, short and straight to the point, no fluff. Explanatory, detailed and educational, perfect when you want a full breakdown. And formal, polished and professional for business writing. Let me show you the difference. I'll select Concise and ask Claude a simple question. Watch how short and direct the answer is. Now I'll go back, switch to Explanatory, and ask the exact same question. See how Claude gives a much more detailed answer this time. Same question, completely different response, just by changing the style. And you can switch at any point mid-conversation and Claude adjusts right away. And that's it. Just hit the plus button, go to Use Style, pick the one that fits what you need, and Claude adjusts instantly. Simple as that. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe. More Claude tips are on the way. See you in the next one.